Hello, this is Pat O'Connor with O'Connor & Associates, and this is one of a series of videos on the Texas property tax calendar. And one of the important dates is the property tax protest deadline. And typically it is May 31st. There are a couple of exceptions. One is if the appraisal district does not notice your value 30 days prior to May 31st. So if they don't send a notice of assessed value by 30 days prior to May 31st, the deadline is later if they then send a value at some point. However, they are not required to send a value unless the value changes or is increased by more than $1,000. So if they don't change your value, they are not required to send a property tax notice of assessed value, and your protest deadline would still be May 31st. The other exception is when the May 31st deadline falls on a weekend, and in 2014 the protest deadline will be June 2nd, which is the Monday after the weekend where May 31st occurs. So for practical purposes, file a protest in the last week of May. You'll have it covered. You can review the appraisal district's evidence before the hearing and decide whether or not to attend the hearing, but you protect your rights by filing the property tax protest and then reviewing the appraisal district's evidence before the hearing.